Hey everyone, it's Kia. Welcome back to my channel. So, the wait is over. This is the most anticipated, long-awaited video in the history of videos ever created. I don't know why it took me so long to do it, but it doesn't matter because we're here now. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I style my all-time favorite pair of sneakers. That is the Air Jordan 1. Whew, I'm that excited. Today's video is in collaboration with Stadium Goods, so without further ado, let's hop right into it. You know, somebody mentioned that I talk a lot with my hands and it's a bit distracting. I'm just very animated and I get very passionate, so that my hands start going like this. So I apologize in advance. I'll try to contain myself, and I also want you guys to just get into my rings and into my nails, like, cause they's the truth, okay? Really, real quick, all right? So of course I have to give you guys a brief little history lesson. You know, what's the looks without the lessons? Hashtag looks and lessons. So yeah, just to give you guys a brief little history of the Air Jordan 1, it was the first sneaker created between Michael Jordan and Nike. It was designed by Peter Moore and it was released in 1985 to the public in a black and red colorway, also known as the banned Air Jordan 1, because allegedly the NBA, David Stern, banned Jordan from wearing them on the court because they didn't contain enough of the Chicago Bulls colors, which it just didn't have enough white in it. So later on they ended up releasing the black toe and the Chicago colorway. So yeah, this collaboration between Jordan and Nike is the most influential, most historic sneaker deal in history. And if you guys want to find out more about the history of the Air Jordan 1, I highly suggest that you watch the documentary called Unbanned. You can find it on Hulu. So as mentioned, today's video is in collaboration with Stadium Goods, and I actually picked up a few pairs of Air Jordan 1s that I'm going to be styling in today's video. If you guys aren't familiar with Stadium Goods, they're like one of my go-to places to get sneakers. 100% authentic, guaranteed, okay? They have an online store and they also have a store here in New York City that I highly suggest that you visit if you get a chance to, because it's like sneaker heaven. Like, when I die, bury me there, okay? All right, so the first pair that I'm gonna be unboxing is the Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG Rookie of the Year. And comes in the standard Jordan 1 box. The Jordan 1s were designed before Jordan came out with his own brand called Jordan Brand. So that's why it's still heavily branded in the Nike logo, because it wasn't yet a Jordan brand when these were created. So here they are. It has the gold suede, the perforated white, just like a little off-white, black shoelaces. Also comes with a pair of red shoelaces, which is highly essential these days. I need my sneakers to I need at least 2 pairs of laces, because you got to switch it up with the look, you know, do a mismatch version. Like, you got to give the girls options, okay? And that's what we're here for. So what's interesting about this colorway is it was inspired by Michael Jordan's 1985 Rookie of the Year award. And on these flaps right here, they're little catchphrases. So on this one, we have his stats for that season. And on this flap right here is a quote. It says, "This award is nice, but I just feel it's very important for each individual to go out and contribute to his team." Love little like history lessons, and that's one thing about Nike and Jordan brand as a whole, is just each sneaker that they release has a story, and sometimes you have to lift the little folds to reveal that. So I love that each sneaker that they come out with, it means something. They're just not coming out with sneakers just because. They're all inspired by something. Next up, we have the Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG Twist. And here they are. These are actually a women's shoe, which really doesn't matter at this point. We all wear each other's sneakers. But it's just nice that the brand Jordan is actually coming out with sneakers specifically for women, because for the longest we were an afterthought. Some sneakers we couldn't get because they didn't come in an equivalent men or kid size, and we kind of like felt like the brand wasn't really thinking about us. But it's nice to know that they're creating sneakers specifically for us and with us in mind. So these are the twists. It has they're black and white, obviously, and this is a synthetic pony here, black on the panels and also on the swoosh. They also come with a pair of white laces as well. This would be a great intro Jordan 1 sneaker for those of you guys that always ask me like, hey Kia, you know, I'm not really into sneakers, but you kind of inspire me to get into sneakers and I don't know where to start. So what sneaker should I get? This one. I feel like everybody should own at least one Air Jordan 1 in their closet, and they come in so many different colorways, women's versions, and so I feel like black and white is super easy to style, so this would be perfect. The synthetic pony hair really gives it like a chic or luxe aesthetic. You can really like play around with this, dress it up, dress it down. So this is a great intro Jordan for the girl that's not really into sneakers, okay? All right, so those are the sneakers. Now let's get into these looks, all right?